and welcome back. This is a short review of a beautiful watch from the house of HMT. It's called HMT Karna. Let's quickly take it out of the box. Watch comes in a regular HMT plastic case. Right out of the box you can see this watch has a distinct design, different when compared to other watches from HMT. It has a tapered case and lugs, giving it a vintage look. Except for the brushed finish on the case back, rest of the case has a glossy stainless steel finish. This watch has a elegant textured white dial. All of the watch hands and the indices are slender and have stainless steel finish. The second hand is tapered at the edge, which kind of follows the curvature of the dome crystal and the dial. The stock mesh band is comfortable on the wrist. Even though it looks like a foil shaver, it's finished well. It doesn't pull hairs or pinch the skin on your wrist. Let's quickly get some measurements. Watch has a lug width of 18 mm and lug to lug length of 42.5 mm and case height of almost 9 mm, and the case diameter is somewhere around 35, yeah, and along with the crown it's around 38 mm. Let's do a quick comparison with another popular HMT model, HMT Pilot. Both the watches have pretty much same dimensions, but the way Karna is designed, the watch looks slightly bigger on your wrist. Those holes on the lugs of Karna facilitate quick strap change. The watch looks elegant and beautiful on the wrist. Because of its tapered case, it slides right under the cuff. I would say it's a perfect dress watch. It's a must buy if you like HMT watches. And here are a couple of beauty shots of the watch. Hope you like it. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.